The second group of micronutrients is that of minerals. They are needed for health and correct functioning of soft tissues, fruits, and the skeleton. We have here the list of minerals, their function, and their food sources. Calcium gives bone and teeth rigidity and strength. It comes mainly from milk, cheese, and dairy products. Food fortified with calcium, for example, flour, cereals, eggs, fish, and cabbage. Iron is needed for the formation of hemoglobin, that is the oxygen carrying pigment and main protein in the red blood cells. It comes mainly from meat and meat products, eggs, bread, green leafy vegetables, pulses, and fruits. Iodine is for the normal metabolism of cells. It comes mainly from iodized salt, sea vegetables, yogurt, cow milk, eggs, and cheese. Also from fish, plants grown in iodine-rich soil. Then we have zinc, which is useful for children to grow and develop normally and for helping heal wounds. It comes mainly from maize, fish, breast milk for the children, meat, and beans. And finally, fluorine helps to keep the teeth strong, and it comes from water. So, to summarize all this, we have 5 groups of food that are fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, and dairy products, and 2 main groups of essential nutrients, which are macronutrients needed in large amount and include protein, carbohydrate, fats, and also calories, and the micronutrients needed in small amounts and include vitamins and minerals.